We've been talking a lot about battery transport. So packaging up batteries in a box, shipping it off to wherever it's going. That stuff's all regulated by the Department of Transportation, but there's certainly other use cases of lithium batteries where safety is involved. And so that would be number one is storage, and number two is actually just on-site handling of lithium batteries. If you are exposed to lithium batteries at the workplace, that becomes a potential workplace hazard. And anytime you're talking about workplace hazards, you're going to see OSHA get involved. So that's the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. So they are responsible for protecting America's workforce from on-site hazards. What you'll notice with OSHA is their requirements on handling of lithium batteries are not very mature at all. This is something I'm pretty sure that they're working on. The challenge that they have is different batteries pose different hazards. So it would be nearly impossible for them to write one code to say, here's how you must handle batteries safely, because there's no one universal way to handle batteries safely. So it's not a one-size-fits-all thing. But within the electric vehicle space, it is really important to make sure that your teams know the hazards associated with batteries and are very, very careful around working with electric vehicles. There's a whole bunch of different things you want to make sure you're doing in terms of personal protective equipment. That's everything from face shields, that's emergency response procedures, non-conductive materials. Where you really need to get involved from the OSHA side is if you have employees that are repairing batteries, that are taking batteries apart, those employees absolutely need to be very well trained on the hazards of batteries and what to do in terms of emergency response. So you have a general responsibility to train your employees about how to handle those hazards and avoid any sort of risky behavior. It's up to each individual employer to make sure that their employees are safe from lithium battery hazards.